The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is coming with some record-breaking specs to make this game-changer of a phone. Samsung has launched all of its high-end smartphone for 2022. Now the focus is slowly shifting to the Galaxy S23 series, and the company seems on track to launch the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra in next year. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 feature in the Galaxy S23, and it will be more powerful, but they're working heavily on efficiency to improve battery life across the board. According to digital chat station, Chinese mid-range phones look geared to make the switch to higher resolution display next year. Leaker Ice Universe reckons that this switch to higher resolution display will see Samsung lagging behind, with the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus and up until the Galaxy S20 series. Samsung needs to up its game of battery life, shrinking the power pack from the Galaxy S21 to the Galaxy S22 3700 versus the 4000 million power-hour, and Galaxy S22 4500 versus 4800 mAh. According to Ice Universe, he says 100% confirmed that we'll be getting a 200 megapixel, 1/1.3-inch sensor with 0.6 micrometer pixels and an aperture of f1.7. We suspect that this sensor is going to be the new ISOCELL HP2, and now all 200 megapixel. Will provide a huge amount of details in the shots. It's also supporting Samsung new Hexa squared pixel binning technology. The S23 Ultra will look exactly like the S22 Ultra from the back and form the front, with same 6.8-inch screen size, and even the dimensions are as seen as last year's model, with only slight change to the top of the phone. Samsung will be fully focusing on the things that we want them to improve, like software, battery life, performance. No visual change means all of Samsung focus will be on what the S23 Ultra is packing on the inside. The S23 Ultra, we get a 120Hz LTPO display, and it's coming with a likely resolution of 1440 by 3080. We should see improvements to the color as well as the max brightness. Samsung do continue with the Exynos, then we'll see the Exynos 2300 in certain regions. We're likely going to see a 5000 mAh battery with at least 45W fast charging wireless and reverse wireless charging, which is good for note-taking or drawing. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to get some big internal changes, but don't expect any design change. Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, but that processor is powered by TSMC. Since the S23 Ultra will retain the same thickness, it will now appear a little thicker because of the less pronounced curves. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.